Hey, what's up there, guys? This is T10 Titan, and I am going to be doing a quick scene collections and what they are and what to do if you do use them. Like a little thing that you should know when using them is an issue that I do have. Now, if you are on Twitch, I'm not sure if this stuff is the exact same because you'll probably be using the Streamlabs OBS. I don't have that, and I don't use that. I just use this for all my stuff. But what this does is, so like if we do this, it will just pull up a whole different set of scenes that I have made and their stuff. So let's see. Like if you want Tarkov, you could have Tarkov right here and have all of this, and then you could put CSGO, have all this in its own little area like this. So I have my FPS games like Tarkov and that there. I have Kenshi there. It's just basically another one of these, but just a drop down. You could select what you want from it. Now the issue with it when using it that you should know of is audio. So default desktop audio device, as you can hear and see, my mic is working. You can hear the guts thing. It's all working perfectly fine. This will mess up on you and it will be disabled. So make sure when you do this in whatever you use it for, you re-enable the audio, go into this, like advanced audio properties, and reset all your tracks, because whatever you have your track settings to on this and this, completely forgotten. It will not remember any of it. So remember, alright, this is Future Titan, and I wanted to explain something a little better. It doesn't reset your settings. That is a different thing than Scene Collection. It resets the audio properties, like in that little menu that you see on the like the standard screen. It just has all of the audio boxes checked to check your audio every single time you do it. That's just going to be the quick explanation of what the Scene Collection is. So if I open this up, I'll have to probably create a different thing to show you what my FPS was. Alright, so now that I'm showing you what it is, this is basically, this is basically what it is. It just has all my shooter games in there and their selective sources for it. And it doesn't clog it up, because most people, if you're going to be doing a bunch of stuff, you're going to have a bunch of games if you're doing it. That was what I used to do. I'd have like games down to here that I'd be playing. As you see, I have a bunch of games that I could play, and that's not what you want. So that's basically its whole purpose, is to, or what I use it for, is to reduce clutter in scenes. And if you like this tutorial at all or anything, please leave a like. That would be nice. And if you want any other quick helpful tips and explaining things, I'll do my best to do what I can. If you leave a comment on what you want me to explain. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.